Hello everybody, I'm here to tell you about the joy of creating graphics, video, multimedia, web. Let's get started. What does interactivity mean? Interactivity is the communication process that takes place between humans and computer software. Where's the most forms of interactivity typically found, you ask? Did you ask? I don't know. It's typically found in games, where you need a continuous form of interactivity within the game or from the gamer. Database applications and other financial engineering, trading applications are also typically very interactive. There we go with the elastic terms of multimedia again. Stick in there. You'll start to wrap your head around it and be flexible with it. So actually, to me, a web browser is the most common interactive program. I mean, you go to a web page that you like. Most people deal with an online class like us through the web browser or the class and in that application. The code is usually included right in there on the internet page. It defines a degree of interactivity with us. So, for an example, when you create a Google form, it needs to have input from the user, and then it gives an output in the form of a label, and it indicates the data to be entered in each text box. List the user to choose from. You can lay crumbs down in graphics and icons to help people along. So that's what you can do as a designer, even for a Google Forms. It's almost like creating a game, navigation to get where they need to go to get the job done. So that interactivity provides just high readability options with HTML. That's why I'm always suggesting that you might want to take an HTML class, and we usually do have a small HTML assignment because learning HTML has saved me so many times in projects and web pages for clients. So let's start with this question here. What purpose does content serve? You're going to be a content creator? Well, content creation, I think, is being overtaken by marketing, right? We're bombarded with many forms in our lives of all these ads popping up, and actually we're getting a little overwhelmed, right? From ads on television to your phone, getting pop-ups left and right, bombarded with sales. But content serves one purpose: to connect with your audience. An advertisement called for action is what people pay for. But then again, a film evoking emotions, phone apps, a podcast, you must connect with your audience, okay? What is the general definition and content of creation? Put simply, content creation boils down to producing material for your audience to consume. It's that simple. Marketing does have a majority hunger for this new content, like I said, from content creators like yourself. But to express yourself in a fun, crazy side with art for the sake of it is nice. Go a little crazy, but you'll want to give some examples of some content that they're asking for, that you can find a nice combination of creativity, what exactly they want, their color scheme for their brand, and put it together in a powerful way to get some attention. So we're going to talk a little bit more about content creation in the next video, so stick around. It's a nice short video on content creation. You'll like it. Be right back.